Intel's NUC range are small form factor PCs that allow you to customise your own mini PC. The NUC includes the case, power supply and 4x4-inch motherboard, and you then add your choice of RAM, storage and peripherals to make a complete computer. Due to the tiny size, which is smaller than a games console, NUCs offer great portability and can be used in small spaces without compromising on power. We've actually made plenty of videos about the Intel NUC range, which we've linked below for you if you'd like to check them out. And now Intel have launched the NUC 12 Enthusiast, which is also known as Serpent Canyon. This comes equipped with Intel's brand new ARC770 graphics and a powerful 12th Gen i7 processor, which is aimed at enthusiasts and able to handle the latest AAA games and VR content. Intel's latest ARC A-series graphics uses their Deep Link technology, pairing the CPU and the GPU together to enhance your graphics for games and also for content creation, whilst the 12th Gen i7 processor with its hybrid architecture of P-cores and E-cores utilises the Intel Thread Director to seamlessly direct your workloads to the most efficient for each process, reserving your performance cores for more intense processes like gaming and streaming, whilst your efficient cores look after background processes for more fluid gameplay. Gamers can also enjoy the benefits of XE super sampling, which provides AI-enhanced upscaling in supported games, which boosts performance and image quality. Now, in terms of customising your own Serpent Canyon NUC, you can select up to 64 GB of DDR4 memory and up to 24 TB of NVMe storage. Aesthetically, as you can see, it looks really smart. It's got a fairly simple design, just the skull here that you can see with the lighting, which is simple and it's classy. This can actually be customised or turned off entirely using the NUC Studio app. I unboxed it earlier and it comes in this really premium packaging. The box feels really high end. It opens up to reveal a lower drawer which contains your power cable and the stand, and on the top is the NUC itself, which comes protected by hard foam all around it and also in the lid, which features the skull branding. The box is actually really well thought out design wise, and you could use it for storage after you've taken out and set up your NUC with the drawer and the upper compartment. Now, the NUC that we've got here, we've spec'd up with 32 GB of Corsair Vengeance DDR4 memory and 1 TB of WD Black SN770 M.2 NVMe SSD. It's really easy to install, if a bit fiddly. You simply loosen the screws on the back plate with a small Allen key. Now, these don't come out entirely, so you've got no danger of losing them, which is a nice touch. Then ease it off to reveal the next layer, and you'll need a small screwdriver for this part. The screws are actually numbered, but the numbers are really small, so not that easy to see. But once you've loosened them all, lift off the back carefully and lay it down. There's actually a little wire to be aware of at this part, so do be gentle. And then I added the RAM, followed by the SSD. With the RAM sticks, you insert them at a slight angle, so make sure that it's secure and then clicks down so it lays flat. Then the second stick goes directly on top of it, again at a slight angle, and then clicks down. Then your SSD needs a small screw taking out before it can slot in. Click it down, pop the screw back in, and it's time for the back to be screwed on the NUC. Now, this part was fiddly to get it lined up, so it lay flat and goes back on easily. But once you've cracked it, then add the cover back using that Allen key. Now, in terms of connectivity, it has plenty, allowing you to connect up to 6 4K displays. On the front, it's got 2 Type A USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, an audio combo jack, as well as Thunderbolt 4 or USB-C, and a full-size SD card reader. On the other side, there are 4 Type A USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, a 2.5 gigabit Ethernet, another Thunderbolt 4, and optical audio out. And then for video, you've got HDMI 2.1 outputs and a pair of display ports, plus your 19-volt power adapter and a Kensington-style cable lock slot. You get Intel Wi-Fi 6E, or if you prefer, you can connect directly to the Ethernet port. So there you go, a brilliantly powerful and compact PC which you can spec up to your requirements. The Intel NUC 12 Enthusiast is available now at scan.co.uk.